Women are born with all the eggs they will ever have, but as age increases, both egg quality and quantity decline. But what to do now? Hi, I'm Dr. Suarchila, Scientific Director with Ziva Fertility Centers. Now this decline of eggs becomes faster after the age 32 and even more significant after 35. Egg freezing is a medical way of pausing this biological clock. What exactly is egg freezing? I'm talking about it, but what is it? It's a process where we stimulate the ovaries to produce multiple mature eggs, then retrieve those eggs through a short ultrasound guided procedure and then freeze them using a technology called vitrification. Vitrification is an ultra rapid freezing process and it prevents ice crystals from forming within the egg. Such eggs remain structurally and functionally intact for many years. When should you and who should consider egg freezing? There are two major groups. Let's divide them into two groups. One comprises of women who want to delay motherhood due to career, education, financial planning, or because they haven't found the right partner yet. The second group constitutes women who have medical conditions such as endometriosis, ovarian cysts, surgeries, autoimmune disorders, or upcoming chemotherapy. All these processes can reduce ovarian reserve later in life. Therefore, egg freezing is not only about future pregnancy, it's also an emotional security. It reduces the anxiety of running out of time and gives women the option to conceive with their own biological eggs when the time is right. But what about the success rate? Egg freezing works best when done between ages 25 and 35 because younger eggs have fewer chromosomal abnormalities. Success depends on how many eggs we freeze. So typically freezing 10 to 15 eggs gives a good chance of having at least one healthy baby in the future. Remember this number, 10 to 15 eggs. Women above 38 can still freeze eggs but may need multiple cycles due to lower egg quality. The process itself takes around 10 to 12 days of hormone injections and then monitoring and finally egg removal procedure. Most women return to their normal activity the very next day. But is it safe? Is the whole process safe? Yes. Decades of research show no increased risk of birth defects, pregnancy complications or genetic abnormalities. Babies born from frozen eggs are just as healthy as naturally conceived babies or IVF babies. So the most common question is, for how long can these eggs be stored? Well, technically eggs can remain frozen for years or even decades without losing quality because vitrification stops all biological activities. So egg freezing is, however, there's a very important thing to remember. Egg freezing is not a guarantee but significantly improves your chances of having a biological child later. Think of it like a reproductive insurance. You hope that you never need it, but you're relieved to have it. If you wish to know more about this, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.